our sacred world. Spirit congeals into consciousness. Consciousness congeals into intelligence. Intelligence congeals into energy. Energy congeals into chemical elements. Chemical elements form all things and organisms. You are made of spirit. You eat, drink, and breathe spirit. You meet but spirits. You perform spiritual acts. You walk on spiritual ground. This is the reality you exist in. All experiences, thoughts, and feelings that contradict this are elusive.